Hello, my name is Marcello, and today I'm going to show you how to add signed 1 complement numbers. So here we have two signed 1 complement numbers. We have x and we have y. So the first thing that we're going to do is rewrite this. So we have 1,000, 1,000 plus 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. And now what we're going to do is, starting from the right, we're going to add our numbers. So 0 plus 1 is going to be 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. So our answer for this first example is 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Alright, so let's move on to the next example. This one's going to be a little bit more complex. So we have our two numbers. Let me erase that a little straggly. And so we're going to do the same thing. We're going to rewrite it. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, and then 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. We're going to add those together. So 1 plus 1 is going to equal 0, carry the 1. 0 plus 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 0, 1 is 1, 1, 0 is 1, 0, 0 is 0, 0, 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, plus 1 is 1. So we have 1, carry the 1. So now we have 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. But this is actually incorrect. So this 1 that we had carried over, we actually need to take this and re-add it back in. So our new question, or our new problem that we're going to solve, is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So once again, we're going to solve this. So 0 plus 1 is 1, and then we can just basically carry the top number over. So 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So our final answer is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.